So here's the tea on how I made this charcuterie board for my daughter's 9th birthday party. The first thing I did was make the salami rolls. I'm using a champagne glass because I wanted the rolls to be kind of small. So all I did was overlap the salami on the rim of the glass until I got the desired size that I was looking for. These are so easy and so fun to make. Look how cute this turned out. My daughter Maya has a nut allergy, so I needed to make the charcuterie board nut-free. Her friends are also 9 and 10, so I didn't want to do anything like dried apricots or olives or anything I knew they wouldn't eat. Baby, anytime I'm building a charcuterie board, I go to Aldi. Aldi has the best selection for cheeses and meats and crackers for charcuterie boards. How cute is this fillable number 9? They make this board in various letters as well as numbers. But of course, I got a 9 because my baby has turned 9. I kept everything very simple, just cheese, fruit, and crackers, and salami, of course. My daughter loves salami. I got this mini peach jam jar from the Dollar Tree. This was a hot pepper peach jam, and I got it for $1.25, and it fit perfectly in my charcuterie board. I added these chocolate covered pomegranates, which were delicious. Of course, some honey because my daughter loves strawberries and honey, and this is how it turned out. If you follow my page for a while, you know I love all things charcuterie. I love making charcuterie boards, especially for a special event. And what else is more special than my baby turning 9? Her and her friends absolutely loved it. This kid-friendly charcuterie board is definitely spilling the sweet tea. Approved.